Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to learn how to create your first Java program, and you can probably guess we're going to do the hello world. So the first thing you do is you right click in Eclipse over here and you click on new and then Java project, and you have to tell it the project name. And usually the project name starts with a capital letter, but I don't think it has to, so we're just going to do one called Dib Solutions. That's me. And hit finish. And so now, okay, you'll see that there's a file called src. That's your source folder. And so here, we'll do a right click and go back to new, and this time we'll tell it file. And this is going to be your Java file name for your project. And this can be called anything. So we'll just call it anything, actually. Anything.java. Okay. It has to have the .java there, but the file name can be anything, and this has got to be lowercase. Okay. So make sure that your file name is lowercase, and then click on finish. And so now you'll see your Java file here, okay, and it's blank, of course. So we have to create a class, and so that's the first thing that you have to make. And a class is like the main part of your Java file. And so you start out saying class, and that's the keyword. And you can say your own class name. Okay, it doesn't matter what it is. And then you do the curly brackets, and when you press enter, you'll notice that Eclipse very nicely puts the closing curly brackets down here for you automatically. So that's pretty cool. And within your class, you have what's called a method. And a method is like a recipe of what you want to do. You can have several methods within a class. For now, we're just focused on one. And there's got to be at least one method called main. Okay. So we're going to make that method called main. And to create the method, you have a couple of keywords like public, static, void, and then your method name here is main. Then do brackets, and then notice that Eclipse, as soon as you put the left bracket, the right bracket shows up automatically. And then in here you type string args, and then your bracket there. And then come back here and do your curly braces and press enter again, and notice that it creates another set of curly braces, and that closes off this. So these curly braces go together here, and these curly braces go together here for the whole class. Okay, this is actually the curly braces for your method. Okay, and so like what you would do here to make it print out is the keyword System.out, .println, and notice here that it gives you all the selections that you can choose here, automatically. So we're going to pick the print line one. So if you double click it, let's take that stuff out. So this is your function here inside your method, and we'll do a quotes hello world. Okay, and you'll notice here on your left that if you have a red circle with the X in it, that means that something is wrong. Okay. And so if you kind of mouse over it like this, it tells you pretty well what the problem is. So it says static, or syntax error, insert a semicolon to complete the block statement. Java statements have got to end with the semicolon. So if you come over here and do a semicolon, it goes away. Okay. Sometimes it doesn't go away automatically. If it doesn't, you can come up here and click File, Save, and then that'll clear it up a lot of times. And then sometimes go to Project, Clean, then pick the project name that you want to clean. And so we're going to do Dip Solutions and click OK. Now to run your project, you come up here to the green arrow and click it, and we're going to run it as a Java application and click OK. And notice down here on your console tab, like if for some reason you have something else selected like problems or whatever, just click on console, you'll see hello world, and that's what we did. And that's it for the first tutorial. And if you check out the next one, we'll go into more details and show you a few more things. Hope you enjoyed it.